Guys, today I'm going to be reading a Rusty Rivets book, and this one is called Far Out Friends. So here's the cover in the book. And it also says Far Out Friends, and there's a picture of, I think that's Rusty in his ship he made. Wee! Botasaur gives the bits a bounce. Ray, Whirly, Crush, and Jack fly into the sky. Rusty is in the air too. They all land safely, but what is still up in the sky? It lands close by Rusty and Ruby and the bits. Check it out. Ruby scans it. It is Orbit. He is from outer space. He is far from home. Can Rusty and Ruby help Orbit get back home? The friends come up with an idea. Rusty turns up Botasaur's power. He will send Orbit home with a big kick. But now Orbit is missing, and so is Jack. Whee! Orbit and Jack are at the playground. Rusty and Ruby tell Orbit, "We can get you home." Jack does not want Orbit to leave. Botasaur launches Orbit, but Orbit flies the wrong way. Next, they try a jetpack. It loses power. Jack makes a house for Orbit. He wants his friend to stay. But Orbit must go home. Rusty and Ruby build a shuttle. Ruby has another surprise. She has put a camera on Orbit. Here's the picture of the shuttle. Now Jack can keep in touch with his far-out friend. Goodbye, Orbit. Thanks for visiting. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the notification bell. Bye!